Hello guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and today we are going to be talking about the Zhiyun Crane 3S, the almighty gimbal that can carry red. So today I'm going to be showing you guys, I've used it, I've tried it with like about 3 cameras, with the DSLR, with the red, and with the ENG camera. Most events and churches don't use gimbal for the ENG, and I tried gimbal on this guy. It fits properly well. I'm going to be showing you how I did it, and you're going to be watching it. Okay, today's video is sponsored by Reality Motion Picture, a film and TV production company in Abuja. Go check them out. I'm going to be leaving their details on the description below. So check them out, all your equipment, the red, the black magic, the ENG cameras, the GH5, the aperture light. Just go check them out. Thank you guys. Okay guys, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for amazing tutorials. So without wasting your time, let's start unboxing this. Okay, this is how it comes. Okay guys, let's unbox this guy. This is the monster. Okay, this is how it comes. Boom. Okay, so it comes with the battery, the handle, every accessories. This is how it comes. You can see it. This is the kind here. So let's start with the base. This is our usual base for this dude. So let's bring out almighty guy. Let's screw the base. Sorry, screw the base under here as usual. So I can now stand it up. Bring this guy over here, which you know it's usually locked because I have to fit it in. So I release this, then put it first. Once I put it to lock it, so I think let's just go ahead and set this up. Stands this way. So the batteries, it comes with 3 sets of batteries. So you unlock this guy over here and attach your battery. So this is your lens support kit. It comes with a lens support kit that you can screw over the base plate. Like you came with a base plate and a lens support kit, so you can screw your lens support kit on this. If you're using a big lens, I'm not using a big lens, but I'll just leave it here. So you can screw this to support it. This on the base plate. Over here has all the tools, all the bolts that I can fit in. And there's one good thing about what they did with this, is that there's an Allen key. So if you're using an Allen key, it can fit into this, or you're using a screwdriver, a flat, you can use it. So either use an Allen key or a screwdriver. So we also have the riser for the base plate. So in case you're using a camera, a small camera, or the Blackmagic pocket, you need to rise it up to get everything attached. You can use this, but for now we are not using this, so let's leave it there and let's start with this. So let's roll. So I'm going to be doing a fast one on this guy. So I'm just going to be setting it up very fast. So this is my lens support. You can adjust it depending on the lens to move here or take those. So you can adjust it to hold the lens for you. So we can take it forward if it's using a strong, if you're using a long and heavy lens. So try not to put it on the ring of the focus in case you're using a follow focus, so you don't get it tied, jammed up. So you still need to get here loosened. So if you're fixing it, you have to fix it where you don't have any movable ring. It is good. So let's go ahead and set it up. So there's one thing this guy has here, an extender over here, that you can actually release it this way and extend, depending on the camera you're using. So for all those ENG cameras, this is what helps you to use them here. So you can push it out to extend it. So I think this guy is pretty locked and loaded. So we are good to go. So let's power it on over here. So we are good. So let's raise it. The transition on this guy is very stable, very smooth. You can see I could transit to take my low angle shot, then immediately switch. And on every camera, it's very flexible like that. Switch. So this guy is a little monster. So let me show you guys. I've used it on ENG. I use it on ENG. So and I use it on the red camera, and let me show you how it works. So I set it up on the ENG camera. You could see it very easy and flexible. So it moves. So it has a lot of space that can actually move with it. So see it moving very smoothly, and it's very, for me, this is the first time I'm using a gimbal on an ENG camera, and it's comfortable. There's no jerking, you're not struggling with the space. So you could just see there's excess space. The extender helped to do a whole lot of work. From this side, you could see that the extender, I use the extender to push it out to create more space. So this is very good, and the shot, when I previewed the shot, very amazing, very stable and amazing footages from it. So, and one other thing I enjoyed was to use the app on the camera, the Zhiyun app. I set it up and I stabilize it and everything, then I use it to do the same. So, and it synced properly like this. So I move. I was actually playing with my head to post on social media, but it was actually the remote on my hand that is moving. So if I take the remote down, bend the remote, it moves. So I just decided to move my body and my head to just add some fun to it. But I was using my phone as the remote to move, because I synced it with my phone. This guy is really worth it. From ENG to Red and DSLR, a whole lot of camera, Blackmagic and Canon C300. This guy can take a really heavyweight object, and I think the mass you can put here is 5 kg or 4.5 kg. That's what it can carry, and that is really a lot. To put 4.5 kg on this guy is really a lot. So, and the price right now on B&H, I think it's about $750 or $745. Is worth the price. And I also use this guy on red camera. So let me show you guys when I fixed it on red camera how it went. Let's go.
Our generation no get better future, but not like them talk. So I go throw away and talk my own. Oh, cause every word I speak is it for my destiny, yeah. just gonna speak forth of my prophecy. I will be the light in a dark and crazy world. I will be the one who sees the wrong and makes it right. And I'll take a stand, bringing change to my generation. I will be the light. Yeah, yes, I am the one.
Okay, this guy did a whole lot. When I tried it on the red camera, it was seamless. It was as if I was not struggling. I wasn't struggling. Unlike what I was used to using on the red camera, the Rooney one, which after some time it just breaks and all those stuff. Anybody that uses Rooney one on red understands what I mean. Then few times I tried using Rooney 2 on the red. Man, I think that thing is industrial. That thing can break your spine. Sorry, very good gimbal, very awesome, but I don't think I have this guy and I want to try the Rooney 2 again. Nah, I don't think so. Unless I'm using a rig or something on the Rooney 2, or there's a special stuff I want to do. But this guy is good. It's very smooth on the red. And moving forward, this is what I'm going to be using on the red camera, the ENG and the DSLR camera. And I think this worked pretty well. Okay guys, I'll be doing a whole lot of tutorial on this Zhiyun 3S. So right now I just showed you the cameras I've tested on it and they work perfectly well. I'm going to be using this to shoot almost every project. So, and it's very handy, and all the equipment I used today to do this tutorial is from Reality Motion. It's my friend, it's owned by my friend. They're a film company and a rental company. They are based in Abuja here. If you need the red, this gimbal, the Blackmagic, the Canon, the GH5, the lights, the aperture lights, everything you need, I'll put their details on the description. So go there, check them out, check them, follow them on Instagram, check, contact them. And if you're coming from me, I've not told him, but if you're coming from me, just say this is, you got the contact from San Presto, and I'm sure he will give you 10% discount or more. So just try it, it will work. I'm telling you, it will work. So guys, this is it for today, and this is San Presto from San Presto Films signing out. But before I sign out, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more amazing tutorials coming your way. And thank you for watching. Let's go use this guy and do some things.